ZaZa Read To Me, where reading is a superpower and we're getting stronger together. If you have a book at home, just pause this and read back. If not, sit back, relax, and read here with me. The Pout-Pout fish cleans up the ocean. Deborah, Diesen. Pictures by Dan Hanna, the creators of the New York Times best-selling Pout-Pout fish books. The ocean is amazing. Mr. Fish's grin was wide. The beautiful surroundings let him wonder struck inside. His head was full of happy and his heart was full of awe. But his smile sank away and he turned around and saw a big mess. Whatever could it be? He couldn't really tell, so he talked with a friend who had noticed it as well. There's a problem that needs solving, and I don't know what to do. But I'm going to find some answers. Would you like to join me too? Absolutely, said Miss Shimmer as she grabbed a few supplies. They traveled to the mystery mess and see with their own eyes. Swimming off, they were enchanted by the ocean, big and bright, but looming in the distance was that dark, dismal sight. A big mess. What's it made of? They both wondered, and they pondered this out loud. Around them, others gathered in a small but growing crowd. There's a problem that needs solving, and we don't know what to do. But we're going to find some answers. Would you like to join us too? Count us in, said Mr. Seahorse, and he powered up his rig. Enthusiasm bubbled. Yes, the group was getting big. Who will fix it? Fish were asking, hoping someone else would know. There was a lot of conversation as they traveled with the flow. There was a problem that needs solving, and we don't know what to do, but we're going to find some answers. Would you like to join us too? All as one, said Mrs. Squid as she swished away some junk. The group continued forward toward the nearing pile of gunk. They reached the mystery mess. They took measurements and samples. They made notes and they did research. They found similar examples. When everyone was finished, they assembled to discuss. They came to one conclusion. The problem is, us. We made the big mess. They froze in disbelief. Then they all began to shout, feeling troubled and uneasy, and some began to pout. Were they stuck with this forever? Would it worsen? Would it grow? Mr. Fish was worried too. There's one thing that I know. It's awful that we caused it, but this bad news can be good. Or it means that we can solve it. If we all agree, we should. Silence filled the ocean. Their future was at stake. It was a moment of decision. But which one would they make? A big yes. We can do it, they exclaimed positively. Yes and yup. So they all pitched in together and they cleaned the ocean up. They gathered up the garbage with the help of everyone. They worked to fix and remedy the damage that they'd done. Then they talked about new habits, how to travel with less trash and reduce their use of plastic, put trash into its place. Problems have solutions, so we learn what we can do. Together, we're the answer. Would you like to join us too? The end. I hope you enjoyed the adventure. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Remember, reading is a superpower, and every book makes you that much stronger. Until next time, friends, stay strong. And don't forget to tell a friend that ZaZa read to you.